Hey guys! So, this is the first time I'm gonna be doing a video. So, yeah, and this will be the best video ever in the world. So, let's get started. I have a package from Kleinland, and no worries, I already crossed out my address, and it says Kleinland right there. I'm sorry it's not focusing. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm really excited to open this up because this is one of my first package ever, and I don't really have squishies, but I'm really excited. The first squishy ever that I've ever held. So I'm really excited, and this is me. First time I'm showing my face, so I'm so excited. Okay, I hope you can hear me well, because I'm using my laptop, and it's kind of like no voice is heard, so I'm not sure. So let's get started. Here's my package. So excited. Cut this open with my handy dandy scissors. So excited, you know, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. This just my battery. My bad. I'm really excited. I'm sorry guys for the writing at the back. When I received it, I was writing at the back, so that was, oh my god. By the way guys, this is a real package. It's kind of hard. Oh, really hard. I'm really excited. Okay, this is my first ever video, so I hope you like it. Okay, so there's another packaging inside right here. Let me see if there's no address, because I'll be in trouble. So here it says mailing envelope. And yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open this up. I think this will be hard to open again. Okay, this is an invoice. Yeah, this is an invoice. I mean, I'm not gonna shake because it has my address in it, so I hope she got me an extra, but if not, okay. But this is from Kleinland, if I haven't told you. Because so excited, first ever like package. I'm super excited. Look at that! I can already see the squishies! So excited. Oh my god, look at that! Squishy! Okay. So pumped up. Okay, get started. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for so long. Oh my god, I can't believe I have a squishy in my hand right now. Oh my god. I'm just like, is this real or what? So here's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so squishy. Oh my god. It's pretty big for what I expected it to be. I thought squishies would have like this small, but it's pretty big. Oh my god. I don't want to open it because it's just in its original packaging, and I'm so happy with this. Here's the back. Oh my god. So happy. Here it is. pineapple bun? I'm not sure. This is, I think, like a melon bun, or I'm not sure. So here's it looks like. It's the back. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. It's pretty squishy. Oh my god. I don't smell anything. I'm just opening this up. That's she put a little tape here. So let me just take that out. Oh my gosh. It's in my hand. Seriously in my hand. Can't believe I have squishies. Oh, it smells really bad. I don't know. Like, not really bad, but I don't know. Here's the face. You can comment down below what kind of face this is, because I don't really know. So it's pretty squishy. And this is the back. Oh my god, it's very textured. There's like little strap. Oh my god. I'm not sure what this is called. It's like a melon pan bun or pineapple bun. Some people call them pineapple buns, so I think they're pineapple buns. I'm not really sure, because I'm stunning. Okay. Oh my god, 6 minutes! Oh. It's pretty squishy. It's really big. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, let me just put this back in the packaging, because the packaging is so cute and adorable. I'm so happy. Next, oh my god, this is my bun squishy. I'm not sure what this is called, but I think it's like a bun. Look how realistic is that? Okay, look how realistic. Wait, let me just... I'm sorry, it's not focusing. Oh my gosh. This is super squishy. Oh, it smells like chocolate. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla crackers. It's so good. It's really big. Same size as my melon bun. Oh my god, I can't believe I have a squishy in my hand. Oh my god, this is the last one. Here's the packaging. Nothing else. I think she didn't give me extra. No, I think no extra. But that's alright. So this is the last one, which is my egg squishy. So here's this one. If you haven't seen it yet. Okay. So here's this egg squishy, which has this like thumbs up face. Oh my god, this is very cute and small. Oh yeah, this is so cute. I think this is like an egg squishy. I'm not really sure what it's called. I'm not sure what the face is called. Oh my god. This is very squishy. Oh my god, I love this. Okay. So that's what I got for my squishy package, and thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe, like, and comment down below, because this is my first ever package and first ever squishy. And by the way, this is my first video ever. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. No rude comments, please. And bye. And yeah. Oh my god, I love this. And by the way, the link of Quadland will be down below, I think. Well, if it's not there, I'm sorry, because probably I don't have the time to do it. And yeah, I'm sorry for the really bad quality, because I'm not using my camera. I'm using my laptop to film this, because I don't have my own camera yet. So that's good. I'm so happy, guys. I love this package. Okay, I hope you like this video,